friends, so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pineapple rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and obviously a very unique and special one. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a very fine powder. To this, add 10 garlic pods, a few curry leaves, and 1 green chili. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies, and a pinch of asafoetida. Give this a quick shot. Then add the crushed ingredients. 2 ripe tomatoes very finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped pineapple, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns smashy. Now the tomato is nicely done, so go ahead and add 1/2 cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and add 1/2 cup of pineapple juice and give it a quick mix. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious pineapple rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this pineapple rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.